Dear friends, in this video we are going to discuss a very important model that is repeatedly coming for the competitive exams nowadays. Suppose there is a number which is already declared as a perfect square. X is a perfect square and having n digits in it. How many digits root x will have? Suppose, my dear friends, there is already a given number 169. You know 169 is a perfect square number. So root of 169 is equal to 13. So 169 is having 3 digits. Its root is having 2 digits. Suppose there is a number called 14641 is a perfect square and square root of 14641 is 121. So 14,641 is having 5 digits and 121 is having 3 digits. So these are very small numbers. That is why we know the answer. Suppose, my dear friends, there is a question given like this. If x is a perfect square number, and it is having 23 digits, in it. Friends, 23 digit number is a very big number. 23 digits in it. So how many digits will root x have? So the options are also given: 10, 11, 12, 13. 10, 11, 12, 13 are the options given, right? So how to deal with these kind of questions? There is a beautiful formula given to solve these kind of questions. Friends, if x is a perfect square, here I am writing if x is a perfect square, and it is having n digits, my dear friends, if n is even, that means 22, 44, any. So clearly you can write if n is even, so the number of digits that root x is going to have, the answer will be n. Directly you can write as n by 2 digits. But if n is odd, the answer will be n plus 1 whole divided by 2 digits. That means, look at here, the given number is 23. X is a perfect square number. It is having 23 digits. 23 is even number or odd number? 23 is odd number. So how many digits root x will have? So 23 plus 1 by 2. That means 24 by 2. It is having 12 digits. So definitely root x will have 12 digits in it. Suppose, my dear friends, if it is given not 22, not 23, suppose it is given 22, only 22. So directly even number case is a very 22 is even, 22 digits, even number, 22 digits. So 22 plus, not plus 1, directly you can write 22 divided by 2. Then the square root will have only 11 digits. So if the number of digits in the perfect square number is odd, the number of digits in its root is n plus 1 by 2. So odd number plus 1, that odd number of digits plus 1 by 2. If it is even, directly you can make it half and you will get the answer directly. So let us again check with the smaller numbers. Already we checked. Suppose, my dear friends, just like we have seen, 14641. So it is a perfect square, declared it is perfect square. Square root of 14,641 is 12. Friends, how many digits it is having? 5 digits. So 5 digit is an even number or odd number? Odd number. So 5 plus 1 by 2. That means it is 6 by 2. 6 by 2 is equal to 3 digits. So clearly we can see 121 is having only 3 digits. So now suppose there is a number 6561. Root of 6561 is 81. So how many digits 6561 is having? 4 digits. 4 is an even number. So even number means n by 2, 4 by 2, that is equal to 2 digits. That is equal to 2 digits. So 81 is a 2-digit number. So in this way we can find if a number is already declared as a perfect square number and they are telling how many digits that perfect square number is having. So if that number of digits in the perfect square number is an odd number, so odd number, and if you take n digits are there, if that n is an odd number of digits it is having, n plus 1 whole divided by 2 is the answer. If that number of digits are even number of digits we are having, directly n by 2, half of that number of digits will be there in the square root of that perfect square number given. So very easy question, a simple question, a logical question, but highly repeated in the competitive exams nowadays. And I hope you liked our technique. Please subscribe to our channel, Mark Institute.